Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to invite freelancers for project bidding in a WordPress Freelancer Marketplace using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace Plugin. Customers who publish their projects on the website is able to also select suitable freelancers from the list and invite them to check out the project. How can we do that? There are two ways how to invite freelancers to bid. First, go to your platform's freelancer list, and here, you can basically locate and select your chosen freelancer, click on the Hire Me button, which will take you either to create a new project or select an existing project. Second, going to your existing project, you can click on the Invite button and a pop-up will appear listing down all freelancers on the platform. So just click on Invite button and that's it. After inviting freelancers, they will receive an email notification telling them that they are invited to check out and bid for your project. Now you know how to invite freelancers to bidding in a Freelancer Marketplace platform. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!